Hey friend, good morning. Good morning. Oh gosh, you coming up? There you go. Cocktail. Didn't recognize you till I saw the cock of the tail. Holy cow, dude. Okay, you just need, no. Holy cow, you are making me a little crazy. Okay, you need to back up just a bit. Okay, whoa. Hey, you friend. Okay, that whole thing got me a little sideways. There you go. Good job. Good job. Very gentle. Hi, you. How you doing? How you doing? Okay, we got a tussle. We don't need a tussle. We absolutely do not. Hi. Do you want that peanut? Good job. Good job. Hi. You want to hang out and eat here? Get. Okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Cocktail boundaries. Boundaries. How do you set boundaries with a squirrel? Hey, you. Are you waiting on me? You waiting on me? Hey, friend. Do you want a peanut? Hi. Good morning. Hi, friend. Good job. Nice work. Okay, you. Hold on. Whoa. Cocktail must be taking them to the family this morning.